So traders, so which way is this going forward? We have our ongoing position at the moment. How do we trade manage it? Why have we taken this at half the position size that we usually do? All this and more in this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tune Upon here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this trade. Now why have we taken this long? Now first of all, if you observe, we have actually taken out the lower stretch line first, okay, the lower stretch line first. Then we had a retracement, okay, we had a retracement to the upside, and then we put an entry for the low of this bar to be taken out for this to become the stretch. But that didn't happen, and it kept going up and up and up and up. So at that moment, we didn't get our pattern recognition. So at that point of time, two questions then always remain. Which bar is going to become our stretch bar for the day? Is it this bar? Okay. Or is it this bar? Okay.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
How do you identify which is the stretch bar? Look at this one here. This is the blue dotted line. The one which crosses the open and the highest bar of the range for the moment, or the lowest bar of the range for the moment. Okay. Now, as you can see, this bar's high finally got taken out by this bar, okay, this green bar, by just 2 micro pips, in fact. So if you take a look over here, the high was 125469, here was 125448. So not that one. So the red bar here, 25482, and this one was 25481. Just by 1 micro pip, that was the bar that took out the high. So this became our potential stretch bar. What do I mean by that? If this is the highest bar, right, so then from that point onwards, that can become the potential stretch bar. And if the BRO forms to the bottom, then that will become our stretch bar.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
But usually in our research, what we found is the stretch bar usually forms before 12 noon, okay, before 12 noon. So if you take a look at this bar here, this was at 1 p.m. So this one is a bit behind. So if you take a look, this is a 1 p.m. bar here on this broker, but actually it is 1 hour behind us, so that would be a 2 p.m. bar. So here at 12 o'clock will be the 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. It closes at 2 p.m. So therefore, usually in probability basis, this won't become your stretch bar. Can this become our stretch bar, which is a 2 p.m. bar? Very low probability. We can only think in terms of probabilities, but it could well become, we do not know. So based on that, this probability of this bar becoming the stretch bar for today is a bit more higher. So since it's higher, we have taken it towards the long side for today. And the target is, as usual, what we are doing is we are putting it for 80% of the ATR range from our daily bar range, which is from this bar here. So I take the ATR of this insider bar, which was yesterday. So if you read that off, that's 89 here. So then 0.8 times 89, which will become 72 pips, is what we have happening over here. So that's what our target will be, and that's how I've put that target for 2562. So we'll see how that trade performs, and I'll trail my stop to the low of this bar at the end of this hour as well. Okay, so I'll pause the video here and we'll take it on from there. Okay, traders, as you can see over here, now we have exited the trade. We trailed the stop loss to the low of this bar. The next bar did take us out. We had a small loss of 120. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this was not our setup. That's why we reduced the risk and we minimized the loss. Okay, it just didn't get to our target. It didn't make its range today as well, just shy of 4 pips. But that's the name of the game. Just keep executing your trades consistently and keep monitoring them as well and see if there's any room for optimization if necessary. Now, for those of you who are not sure of any of the terminology or the concepts used here, I highly recommend you watching Trader Starter Pack. 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders. Highly recommend you guys to watch that, both for beginners and intermediate traders. Alright, traders, that's all for me for today. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.